Hello students, welcome in our channel class 10 ncert SSC Math with Sujatag. Now let us see the previous year question 2025 for the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry. So let us start this session for this chapter Introduction to Trigonometry PYQ 2025. First student, if tan 3 theta is equal to root 3, then theta upon 2 equals. First option 60 degree, 30 degree, 20 degree and the 10 degree. So now let us solve this example students, very easy example. Okay, and here the given is that the tan 3 theta 3 theta is equal to root 3. So now here is the tan 3 theta and here is the root 3. Now we very well known that the root 3 is nothing but the value of tan 60. So I write instead of root 3 that is the tan 60. So now here tan 3 theta as it is. Okay. So now here tan get cancelled and then 3 theta is equal to 60. That means theta is equal to 60 upon 3. So the theta is equal to 20. Now the theta is equal to 20 students. But we have to find out the theta upon 2. So dividing both the side by 2. So that means theta upon 2 is equal to 20 upon 2. That means theta upon 2 is equal to 10. Okay, theta upon 2 is equal to 10. So here which option? So the answer D. So the option D, that is the 10 is the correct answer. So now let us see the next one question students. The next one question is if sin 4 theta is equal to root 3 upon 2, then theta upon 3 equals 60 degree, 20 degree, 15 degree and the 5 degree. Okay student. So here also the same question. The same question is that similar to first one, that is the sin 4 theta is equal to root 3 upon 2. So now here students, the root 3 upon 2, we know this is the value of sin 60. So I write here sin 60 degree. Okay, and here as it is sin 4 theta. So now here sin get cancelled. So 4 theta is equal to 60. So the theta is equal to 60 upon 4. So now here theta is equal to 15. Okay, theta is equal to 15. So now here, but we have to find out the value of theta upon 3. So now dividing both the side by 3. So theta upon 3 is equal to 15 upon 3. That means theta upon 3 is equal to 5. So now here students see our answer is 5. So now which option? The option D, 5 degree is the correct answer. Question 3 students. If alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree and alpha is equal to 2 beta, then cos square alpha plus sin square beta is equal to, options are 0, 1 upon 2, 1 and 2. Okay. So now here first I call this first alpha plus beta is equal to 90 degree as a first equation. And the second one, that is alpha is equal to 2 beta. Okay, so now here alpha is equal to 2 beta. This is the value of alpha. So I put this value in the first equation. So here put the value of alpha in the equation 1. In the equation 1. Then I have, that is a 2 beta plus beta is equal to 90 degree. Okay. 2 beta plus beta is equal to 90 degree. Then 2 beta plus beta, that means a 3 beta, which is equal to 90 degree. Then beta is equal to 90 upon 3 students. Then here beta is equal to 30. Okay. So beta is equal to 30 degree. So now here we want to find out the value of cos square alpha. No, cos square alpha plus sin square beta. So I have the value of beta, but do not get the value of alpha. So first get the value of alpha also. So alpha is equal to 2 multiply 30 and that means alpha is equal to 60 degree. So now I have both the values alpha and beta. Then I can find out the value of cos square alpha plus sin square beta. So now here cos square alpha, that is the 60. Cos square 60 degree plus sine square beta, that means the 30 degree. Okay. So now here students, the cos square 60. So students, the cos square 60 is nothing but that 1 upon 2. Okay. So 1 upon 2 whole bracket square plus 1 upon 2 whole bracket square. Here cos square 60 and the value of sine 30 is also same, that is the 1 upon 2. So here 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4, that means the 2 upon 4. So simplify 1 upon 2. So the answer is 1 upon 2. So here the option B is the correct answer. Okay, question for students. If x multiply 2 tan 30 upon 1 plus tan square 30 is equal to y in the bracket 2 tan 30 upon 1 minus tan square 30, then x is to y is equal to question mark. So the options are 1 is to 1, 1 is to 2, 2 is to 1 and 4 is to 1. So now start to solve. First I write the equation as it is, that is x 2 tan 30 upon 1 plus tan square 30 is equal to y multiply 2 tan 30 upon 1 minus tan square 30. Okay, I write as it is. Then I write this way, x upon 1. Okay, then here I write numerator and denominator. Numerator becomes here 2 tan 30 upon 1 minus tan square 30. Okay, as this one numerator and this one will be the denominator. So here 2 tan 30 upon 1 plus tan square 30. Then I simplify this. Then I simplify this numerator and denominator form. So here 2 tan 30 upon 1 minus tan square 30. I write this one numerator as it is. Then multiply form and then this one denominator as a reciprocal form. Then here first here in the numerator form come 1 plus tan square 30 tan square 30 and divided by 2 tan 30. Okay, so this is in the simplest form. Now see here 2 tan 30 and 2 tan 30 get cancelled and then here 1 plus tan square 30 upon 1 minus tan square 30. Okay, so now here the tan square 30 students. Okay, tan square 30. So now what is the value of the tan square 30 student? Tan 30, that the value of tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So 1 upon root 3 I write. So 1 plus 1 upon root 3 square, 1 minus, here also I write, that is a 1 minus 1 upon root 3 whole bracket square. Okay, whole bracket square. Then here x upon 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 upon root 3 whole bracket square. That means the answer is 1 upon 3. Here also 1 minus 1 upon 3. So x upon 1 is equal to 3 plus 1 upon 3 divided by 3 minus 1 upon 3. So x upon 1 is equal to 4 upon 3 divided by 2 upon 3. So x upon y is equal to 4 upon 3 multiply 3 upon 2. So 3 get cancelled, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So x upon y is equal to 2 upon 1. So here students, x is to y is equal to 2 is to 1. So this is the ratio. So here students, the option is C, 2 is to 1 is the correct answer. Question 5 students, cos theta upon root square root 1 minus cos square theta is equal to. Options are cot theta, square root cos theta upon root sin theta and the tan theta. Very easy example students. So let us start to solve cos theta upon in the square root 1 minus cos square theta. Here students 1 minus cos square theta. So this is the identity, first identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So here students, as sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So here sin theta is equal to in the square root 1 minus cos square theta student. So this way the square root 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin theta student. So only we can replace here the sin theta. So cos theta upon sin theta, and we know students that is the sin theta upon cos theta which is equal to tan theta, but the inverse of tan theta, which is equal to cot theta. So here that inverse of tan theta is equal to cot theta, that means inverse of sin theta upon cos theta, that will be cos theta upon sin theta, which is equal to also the cot theta. So here this is equal to cot theta students. So here the answer is for cot theta. So the option is A, cot theta.